Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project and you don't know what to do, where to do, how do I get started, what do I do, help? If that's the case, I'm here to help you. I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you'll know what to do, okay? Now, I do have a state report graphic organizer that's for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that that might be something that you're interested in or might need, I'm going to put that link in the comment section down below. Now, this specific video is tailored to New York. Alright, New York first became the 11th state to join the Union on July 26, 1788. The original governor was a guy named George Clinton, who is in absolutely no way related to our 42nd president, Bill Clinton. Now, while we know that the current capital for New York is Albany, that wasn't always the case. The first capital was a city called Kingston. The state flag is a dark blue background with a coat of arms just like this one right here. We know that the state bird is the eastern bluebird. The state tree is the sugar maple. The state flower is the rose. And the state nickname is the Empire State. Now what's really cool is the state motto. It's Excelsior. If you're a Marvel or a Stan Lee fan, that might sound familiar to you. It means ever upward. Really cool. Now, hopefully that's enough information to really get that ball rolling for you so you can take it on your own. I want to wish you the best of luck in this project. I know you're going to do a great job. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.